It's pouring rain out. We 3D printed a small umbrella. We'll show you after the video. And it has a little case there that the Insta 360 X5 will fit into, and you can put this on a mount. But yeah, we're just testing this out. It's pouring rain out, and we're trying to see if this umbrella is going to keep the water off of it. The lenses look pretty dry. Under normal circumstances, I wouldn't worry a whole lot about the rain because the X5 is waterproof. But you know what happens when you're out in the rain is the lens will get covered with water and your footage won't be very good. So this is a good little test. The umbrella seems to be keeping the water away from the lenses, so we'll see what that footage looks like. We're out here getting soaking wet, but the camera lenses are staying dry. Anyways, this is just a little test to see how my little umbrella works, and so far so good. Okay guys, we'll show you what this umbrella looks like at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.